This is the top of the table match between Belgium and Ukraine. Both teams have qualified for the knockout rounds, but they would want to win this to avoid meeting the stronger teams in the next round. The match will be starting soon. 2 versus 2, the winner is the first to score 10 goals. And we have kickoff, and Ukraine is putting the first shot in, and Belgium almost counter-attacking and almost scoring. Ukraine on the attack, and they have scored. Ukraine have scored the first goal. What a counter-attack. It's 1-0 for Ukraine. Lots of play in the midfield. No one trying to attack, and Belgium have tried a shot but it missed. An open goal and Belgium have scored. The defender tried to snatch the ball but the striker was too quick. It's 1-0 from Ukraine with a long shot that just missed. And Belgium has scored open goal. There was no defender at all. And here we see it again, open goal. No defenders in sight. It's 2-1 for Belgium. And almost 3-1 there. Nice clearance from the Ukrainian defender, and the Belgian striker got behind the defender and just had to tap it in. (3-1) for Belgium. Ooh, dangerous times for Ukraine. Belgium almost scoring, and the Ukraine defender scored one for Belgium. What a terrible own goal. Confusion at the back. 4-1 for Belgium. And the ball just rolling in. Nice clearance there from the Ukrainian defender. Tussling for the ball. The counter-attack from Belgium. But nice defending there from Ukraine. Another attack from Belgium, and this time it goes in. The defender tried to clear it, but it was too late. These players are controlled by AI. The higher the country's FIFA World Ranking, the more games its AI gets to train on. Belgium is ranked 4th, and their AI model gets to train on 1.9 million games. Ukraine is 22nd, and its AI gets to train on 1.45 million games. In theory, Belgium should win this, but in practice, things can be very different. And we join the game back at 5-1 for Belgium. And Belgium has scored again, making it 6-1. A close range shot that the defender could not stop. It's now 6-1 for Belgium, a massive lead. Oh, I said too soon. The Belgian defender has pushed the ball back into his own net under no pressure. 6-2 for Ukraine. And almost, it is 6-3. A shot from the Belgian defender, again another own goal. 6-3 for Belgium. Ukraine on the attack, and open goal. Oh, nice cut off there from the Belgian player. And a terrible own goal from Ukraine. Somehow he managed to push it in without any pressure. 7-3 for Belgium, and it's 8-3, a quick one off the whistle, bouncing onto the ball once, and into goal. 8-3 for Belgium. Nice clearance there from the defender, and another terrible own goal from Ukraine. There are so many own goals in this game. It's unbelievable. And it's 9-3 for Belgium. Match point. And I don't see how Ukraine can come back from this. Oh, an attack from Ukraine that ended up in his own goal. A powerful shot which got bounced off the Belgium defender and into the Ukrainian goal. Well, it was a one-sided game. Belgium was commanding from the start till the end. Ukraine never looked like challenging Belgium at all. And in the end, Belgium 10, Ukraine 3. This is the table of Group E. Belgium tops the group and Ukraine comes in second. Romania and Slovakia are playing next. Both teams are out, but they would want to avoid last place, which is exactly the questions I have for you. Who will end up at the bottom, Slovakia or Romania? Put your answers in the comments below. To find out, subscribe to watch the next game.